Welcome to the quick Krita Interface tutorial for beginners in less than 2 minutes. If you have just installed the Krita software, or have not yet made any changes to the normal interface settings, you will see approximately this kind of workspace layout. Basically, in Krita, or other industry standard drawing design art software, we can say that the interface actually consists of two main parts. The first is the workspace, in the center of which is a canvas connected to the layer system. And in the areas outside of it are subwindows and toolboxes, also called dockers, usually attached to the edge boundaries of the application. In Krita, it divides access to most of its features into functional panels called dockers. Dockers are small windows that can contain, for example, things like a layer stack, color palette, or brush presets. Think of them as a painter's palette, set of watercolors or brushes. In fact, in general, you can think of the Krita editor as a real-life painter's workspace, with a canvas in the center and drawing design tools, brushes, paints and pencils, and other tools and materials around it. If you haven't installed Krita on your device yet, we highly recommend you to find and follow our previous content on our channel at the most basic level, such as installation and general introduction and comprehensive interface. We plan to release a series of tutorials on our channel that will cover all this and more in detail. Let's keep exploring Krita software together and unleash our creativity. We will continue this series with much more beautiful trainings, and we will be with you again very soon.